Yo, what's up everybody? Matt here from CTM. Check it out. I want to explain what CTM Custom is and what do we do here. So CTM Customs is primarily aftermarket upgrades. So cars, trucks, motorcycles, Jeeps, anything aftermarket, we do aftermarket accessories for. So the majority of our business is lift kits, leveling kits, lowering kits, and of course the wheels and tires that go with those jobs. And we can handle just about any type of aftermarket upgrade or modification that you're looking to do. Our goal with CTM Customs is to be a positive influence in the industry, bring the industry community together, but most importantly, build a good sense of community and family among our employees, our customers, and the people of Martin County. CTM Customs, when stock is not an option. You knew that when you bought your vehicle that you had upgrades in mind. We're here for you. We have people ready to build you an estimate and work with you to make sure that your build turns out exactly how you want it. Give us a call today, send us an email, or search for us on social media.